Devin and his new girlfriends.
Devin the He-Man.
I said and his new girlfriends.
Ah.
Say hi, Dad.
Hi.
Here's me. Oh, love at first sight. Right there.
Let's go.
Say hi to Steve.
Hi, Steve.
This is the nice new pool. Julian and Abigail are loving this.
I'll take you both.
And Devin feels like such a BA. Oh, this is so ridiculous.
Keep it. Alright, you got it? You breathe? You got your tight breath? You good? Okay. There you go.